Hey, I told you, Peggy. Yeah, she's ready for a pushing. Um, I kid you not. This is breaking. Where even though it actually did go down negative 26.40% on the day, um, which the range I mean, it wasn't really much of a movement, like a six and a half cent move to the downside. The high was at about spot 2238, so 22 and third quarter cents, however you want to say it. Um, I'm probably just gonna round it to the nearest tenth. Anyways, yeah. So Peggy, Pineapple Energy. Let's read the news real quick here on think Trading View by Dow Jones News Wire. As of 2 hours ago, at this time of the recording, shares of Pineapple Energy were higher in the late trading session Friday after the company said its Sun Nation subsidiary signed a deal for a 1.95 megawatt project to be constructed in New York City. And I'm just reading here. Work on the project, which will be installed on a large industrial building, is slated to begin in July with an expedited installation. The company said the developer has over 200 megawatts of energy in its projected renewables pipeline nationally, according to Pineapple Energy. And Pineapple Energy also said while projects of this size and complexity sometimes takes years to develop, this one went from first contact to execution in a matter of months. Pineapple Energy provides sustainable solar energy and backup power to households and small businesses. And if you aren't aware with what has happened recently, um, you you have solar stocks going up, and for example, First Solar has quite has seen quite a rally ever since I want to say maybe around March 19th here at the start, where it was at $146. Yeah, now it's at one $277.50 the aftermarket hours, up 10.78%. This is massive. And if we look at the news here, you can see that there has been some analyst updates here, maintained at overweight by J.P. Morgan. Their price target is 262 from 240. Let's see. Here, First Solar executive sells over $2.5 million in company stock. But there was also something that happened. So I'm going to have to look it up on a little Google and show you exactly what I mean. I think I was searching this last night, and it was something that had to do with tariffs. The tariffs that were used against China around May 14th. So here, apnews.com, apnews.com, as we are loading this, you see here Biden hikes tariffs on Chinese EVs, solar cells, steel, aluminum, and snipes. Oh, I don't care about that. That's political. Let's see. Real quick. The tariffs are to be phased over in the next 3 years, with those that take effect in 2024 covering EVs, solar cells, syringes, needles, steel, and aluminum, and more. All right. So the administration officials said they think the tariffs won't escalate tensions with China, yet they expect China will explore ways to respond to the new taxes on its products. And so it's uncertain what the long-term impact on prices could be if the tariffs contribute to a wider trade dispute. So what else it says here? The Chinese government was quick to push back against the tariffs, saying they will seriously affect the atmosphere of bilateral cooperation. The foreign ministry used the word bullying. So no bueno, no bueno. But and for some reason there has been a reaction in solar stocks, like First Solar. And going back to Miss Peggy here, Pineapple Energy, has gotten in a little action here. Peggy was definitely pounding for the past couple of days. Well, before that too as well, leading into that news with the tariffs against China. Right here, May 14th. This is right as that was announced, and therefore had this explosion in to the upside. But what does it mean technical wise? Well, if we look at here on the 4 hour, we actually got ourselves a evening star pattern right here. And I'll draw it out for you. And had a huge pop in the after hours, surprisingly. Going back from the bottom here of this candle, the 4 hour candle, at almost 17 cents to 24 cents on the mark, and closing at 2218, 22 cents, whatever. And now coming back to this area of support, and could be the area of resist. Well, could be well resistance slash support, but it could be the new support for Pegy, and perhaps continue to climb to the upside if bullish, and if the volume continues to increase in momentum, in buys, and all that you can think of, because Pegy looks really good tonight. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being the case, I would want to say that Pegy still has a lot more pushing, and with all that cushion, so we'll be able to see Pegy be able to fill that gap, and this gap that I have here within this boxed area, we have this range from 31 cents to about 46 cents, 45, 46 cents. And that could be the potential next area of interest for Pegy if she decides to continue to bust through and increase the momentum and the volume, go ham and all that stuff. So that's just my quick update on Pegy. And by all means, let's go Pegy. Not financial advice, of course. As always, do your own research, do your own due diligence. You're your own decision maker of your own money and your investments, as long as you're playing it safe. This looks very nice on the 15-minute too, as well. It's following here in this channel that I just made. And again, perhaps this could be the official support area of support here, around 20 cents, 22 cents, and try to break above to, perhaps see 30 cents next week and above. So that being said, that is your short and sweet video on Zergo symbol Pegy, Pejy. Actually, I think I might be forgetting something. You know what? Hold on. Let me just quickly look at the cost to borrow fee and see what that's like right now. Okay. Well, it's climbing up slowly. It was at almost. It was at 34%. Now it's at 35.16%, and only 100,000 shares available to borrow. So, anyways, with that being said, that was a short video, and yeah, play it safe. Play it safe. And I'll see you in the next video or stream next week. Y'all take it easy. Peace, love, happiness, blessings, health and wealth, and all of the above. Thank you, and take care.